Hello, science fans! Today we are going to talk about something really cool. It's called a quantum computer. Now you probably use a computer every day. You use it for school, for games, or to watch videos. Those are called classic computers. They are super helpful, but they have limits. A quantum computer is a brand new kind of computer. It's not just a faster version of the computer on your desk. It's a completely different machine that works in a very strange and wonderful way. It follows the rules of the quantum world, tiny particles like atoms and electrons. This world is weird but incredibly powerful. Imagine a big library with millions of books. You're looking for one specific sentence. A classic computer would read every book one by one. That could take a very long time. A quantum computer can look through all the books at once. It's like millions of copies of you, each reading a different book. This power comes from quantum physics. These rules let quantum computers solve problems too big for classic computers. So, what makes them special? It's how they store and work with information. Your computer uses bits, like switches, on or off. Before we can understand the new, let's make sure we understand the old. Let's talk about the computer you use every day. We call it a classic computer. Every single thing your computer does is broken down into a very simple code, showing a picture playing a song. This code is made of only two things, the number 0, the number 1. Think of it like a light switch. Light switch off diagram labeled 0, light switch on diagram labeled 1. A light switch can only be in one of two positions, on or off. There is no in between, that's it. Every letter you type, every color on your screen is a long string of zeros and ones. Each 0 or 1 is called a bit. The word bit is short for binary digit. Binary just means there are only two options. Inside your computer are billions of tiny switches, transistors, that are on or off. When you save a file, when you click your mouse, the computer flips these tiny switches in a pattern. It's like sending a secret message using a flashlight in the dark. Flash on, flash off to create letters and words. Classic computers flip switches incredibly fast. Let's think about numbers. Now, let's leave the land of on and off and enter the quantum world. If a classic computer uses bits, a quantum computer uses something called a qubit. The QU part stands for quantum. A qubit is like a magical version of a bit. Remember how a bit is like a light switch, either on or off? Well, a qubit is different. It can be a 0, it can be a 1. But it can also be a 0 and a 1 at the exact same time. I know it sounds a little bit strange, but this is the first big cool idea in quantum computing. It's like having a dimmer switch instead of a regular light switch. This special ability of a qubit to be in multiple states at once is called superposition. Imagine you spin a coin. While it's spinning in the air before it lands, what is it? Is it heads or tails? In a way, it's both at the same time. It has a chance of being heads and a chance of being tails. A qubit in superposition is like that spinning coin. It's a mix of both 0 and